Morning, everybody. Alright, so we did our example last week of the HTML with the CSS file. So now we're going to get into the basics a little more specifically. Alright, but first of all, we're going to make a template for ourselves because there's about 10 lines that we use on every file, right? So why should we always type it? So we're gonna make a template. Okay, and as we go along, oh, that's supposed to be together there. Okay, so doc type HTML. This just tells the browser that we're using HTML5. Alright, and so now we open, this is the opening HTML tag. The one attribute we need is language, and we're going to make that English. Okay. Alright, now we have the head and the body. So we'll open the head, and there's 3 lines in the head. Now, the first one, of course, is the title. We won't put a title in because, remember, this is our template. So when we start our projects, we can just pull this up and put a title, appropriate title in. In addition, we have the meta tag that talks about the character set. Like I said, it's a universal code that's used, and it's backwards compatible to ASCII. Oh, yes, that's right. 8. Okay, and the last one, of course, will link to our CSS file. And last week, I made an error. Oops. Okay, hold on. Oh, let's see. Okay, hold on. I made an error. And I did a little research, and I found out that that middle attribute that I was putting in the link tag doesn't even have to be there. So we're going to link, okay, the relationship is a style sheet, and we're going to link style sheet, oops, to a CSS file. But I used to put in, type equals CSS/text, because originally they put that in there because they thought other people were going to use different forms to format. Turns out that really everybody uses an external style sheet with external cascading style sheet. So we don't even have to put that in now. All we have to put in is the link to our web page, which I won't, or to the cascading style sheet, which I won't even put in there yet because we don't know what it is. Remember, this is just our template, and those are the 3 lines that we need for the head. Alright, so then we open the body, and the body is going to be our web page, so there's really nothing we can put in there. I'm going to skip one line. Okay, so that just to make it obvious that that's where we're going to put all our stuff, and then close HTML. Alright, now we have a template, and I'm going to go ahead and save it as a template. You can, it's a new document, you can save it. Okay, now where do I want to save it? Well, I'm in the E drive. Okay, so let me just go here, CS103, and I'll go, we're still in the intro, so I'm just going to put it in intro. Alright, I have to take this off and put it on all files, and I'm going to call this template. Okay, .html. And I've now saved, well, in a second, there. Now I have this. Now every time we start a project, you can pull up your template or rename it, whatever we're working on. Headings will be our first, and you'll be good to go. Now, just in case you forget to rename it and you save it, we'll have a backup template. Okay, template 2.html. I'm going to pull this off a text file so I don't accidentally put that extension on there. Where am I? I'm still in the same place. Yeah, okay, I'm going to save this again. And because I like to overdo things, I'm going to save it one more time. I think. Yeah, template 3.html. Alright, pull this off, and we're good to go. Okay, next video will be on headings. See you then.